Whoa, hold on! We're only 3 seconds in, and Judge Boyd is already calling this ridiculous. You can tell. This is not going to be a quiet hearing. Buckle up, folks! This one's going off the rails fast.
This is ridiculous. No, it is simply what you're arguing is ridiculous. Town Center Place versus Jacqueline Kane. All right. This is your motion.
Legal insight here. What we're seeing is a motion for an extension of time to move. In legal terms, this is basically a last-ditch plea for more breathing room before eviction enforcement kicks in. But in cases like this, the judges, patience can be razor thin.
Provide a letter from you, so now the standard showing the probably the five things that I was keeping on the line before. She said that I'll free of them, but she was looking for him to check. We didn't have to do be ready. And I also found the shop.
So when are her interviews? Yeah. Let's go. Okay.
So yeah, that's the level and one of the he's like in the show. We don't have a date yet. It's just real. I think it all started. He wants to and so I think it would be with me. So yeah. Get scheduled. We never had that, probably the art isn't what we really want to go to. Because obviously we're like there's not a great option to so you guys do not how
Okay. All right. Thank you. Expound.
we're asking for a additional for very good she wants to go with how much she's rich, right? I like that. And the water and of the shoes design and Michael went to start the yacht and she still in 27. So she was currently 79 and she was supposed to pay on time.
Uh-oh. Here's the twist. The landlord's side claims she hasn't been paying the full rent. We're talking a $79 shortfall. Sounds small, but in court, even small breaches can be the difference between staying and packing.
All right. You're going to get for her. She has not. She said, yes, but everything, final letter, you got full tires, and she has not cleared the money. Yeah, please, later that, later, carry, really with their, and, you're not later than you. It's, and things that are moved off of that page, you have to be private. The piece later, is later than they find what she is. However, I'm back from more than this for people. Right. So these are and people like seeing the live the town and for and it is no apartment or
When was she researched?
for March.
January of this year. Of the rent. So it's March and April. Yeah. I recall.
So, for that thing,
Well, that's what I was curious.
And here's where it gets spicy. The defense argues that this isn't really a non-payment of rent case, but rather a dispute about how the landlord applied credits. This is classic legal gray area stuff. And the judge is about to lose patience.
you know, the reason we have to run is because they like to and they like to credit. Now, like, my understanding of why we are staff, you Charlotte, that she had that skill.
She was to zero out. Yeah. That's what was supposed to happen.
So she is zero out, for instance, yes, you pay the stranger everywhere. So you go back to prior to your filing the state, she has been paying 200.
I'm not relitigating this.
Well, COB bill, she applied by this is subsidized housing. Paying them, they should just pay it on bill, and they didn't process it until, and not paying the full amount of rent, not a, you should cost for subsidized housing. They are, required to offer payment arrangements, stuff goes off with like housing.
She entered into a COD that she was going to pay her rent time.
No, she don't mean that she would not violate her fees. This is not never had.
Does she have the 79?
Yes, something not.
Then why are we arguing? Why doesn't she pay it?
Because she's like, I didn't work, yeah. We got a student right? They charge the university tax.
All right. This is ridiculous.
Boom! Judge Boyd just called the argument ridiculous. And if you've ever watched him in action, you know when he uses that word. It's game over. The hammer's about to drop.
Ridiculous. No, it is simply what your argument is ridiculous. Because what I'm going to do is she was to abide by the terms. She has to pay her rent on time. Got her account zeroed out. Gave time for her to find new housing. Gave an opportunity to then come before the court and ask for additional time if she showed that she was doing that and complying with the COD. She's not in compliance with the COD. I'm going to deny the motion to extend the time.
Yeah, I thought that she got fine. So, we're physically taking a straight around. Yeah, something else maybe for late. Yeah, other things, you don't get what I'm saying. You have yes. Yeah, sorry. You know, it's fine. Right.
Yes.
On the last line, so you probably will take marks, right, at normal time. Your future, right? And she kept on saying, she did not pay her full rent. Okay, she paid.
She didn't pay her full rent. You can go round and round in circles. Motion denied. Motion denied. I'm not going around and round in circles on it. Thank you.
And there it is, motion denied. No extra time. This is a textbook example of how tiny technicalities and strict lease terms can sink a tenant's case. Even if the dollar amount in dispute seems trivial,